360 to 3,400. We broke that on Thursday into the jobs number Friday, which turned out to be better. But before the jobs, we broke a solid 2% from 3,400 really all the way down to 3,310, a little bit more than 2%. So we broke about 90 points, or about 2.5% there. In basically one day, we went from 33.85 that day down to 33.10. So I wanted to point this out just to kind of big picture where we are. For the last 3 weeks, we've talked about this range that we've been in. We've kind of made a new range, and we've bounced off this lower piece here that you see from mid-October. That was the Fed day here that we started taking off on, and we have continued to really not move higher but not move lower either. So what I see here is we broke a pattern of basing, a bracket that we've talked about for the past, and to us it looks like as we spend time, today being the third day, if you count Friday's trading, where we bounced off of 33.10, we're back here at 33.61, until we can close back again above 3,400. Right now the bears seem to have an edge. Why do I say that? Because you've got all these stakeholders, longs and shorts, both feeling that this value area now was breached as of last week. We've come back to the lower end of this value area, and you can see even before that, this 33.55 was really the top end of the market before it moved after this last Fed meeting. So we've reversed the entire Fed action that happened right into and after 5 layer, if you will, and with not much activity going as far as volume wise, I think it's a dangerous market to be chasing again to the long side after we've just rallied 55 or about a percent and a half here on the last 3 days. We're getting tired of going up here, and it looks to me like we may be ready to roll over. We'll see how the rest of the week goes. Again, all bets are off if we get back over 3,400, but we're getting back into the top end. If you have an IRC to join us here at Mistrade Member, please check out our site at mistrade.info. We'd love to have you on our Twitter feed for the best trade ideas that we provide to our members. Again, 1 to 3 trade ideas today. Today we've done 0 trades. We have not actually placed a trade here on Monday. This is typical. Today is really acting like a holiday trade. Don't force the trade if it's not there. Again, today the total range in the NASDAQ is right here at around 20 points. In the ES that I'm going to show in the next chart, it's even worse. We're probably less than a 5-point range, which is 1/3 of the percent. So we're just not moving a heck of a lot right now. This day, it is a holiday for most schools, most governmental offices, banks, etc. And the market is very much acting as if it is on holiday. So when the market doesn't move, there's really not much you can do as a trader. We're waiting for volatility and reaction. I'm definitely long volatility, short complacency right now. It's a very difficult market to continue to be complacent in, we do believe. So join us on the Twitter feed. Again, we offer one-on-one mentorships and some group seminar mentorship opportunities. You can read all about it at mistrade.info. We hope you have a great 11/11/13. That's right, November 11th of 13. We are now, this Thursday will be 2 weeks before Thanksgiving break. So we've really got full 2 weeks of trading left before we go into kind of that Thanksgiving hiatus. I would say most traders take off that week of Thanksgiving with the exception of the 4th string. So keep this in mind as you come into it. The 4th string traders will be there for that week of the turkey. And don't be a turkey and overtrade. During Thanksgiving, you can see some crazy volatilities, but it's typically driven by less and less action. And here is the ES chart finally populated here. But you're talking about a 4-point range today. Really, this 60, 64 area up to about 68, 69. So we're very tight. And again, this market is more at its high than the NASDAQ. We had a big recovery, but again, we haven't seen a new close above 1775. The next move, will we see 1800 on the S&P? I don't know. This market is definitely tired, but it's definitely still trending up. It's a difficult market to trade, so don't overtrade. Don't play your cards too heavily. We'll see you on the other side at Mistrade Member. Peace. Have a great day, and thank you again to all of our veterans.